If you have money in the stock market, even $50, I need you to watch this before Monday. Because right now, 3 warning signs are flashing, the exact same ones that showed up right before every major crash in history. And almost nobody's talking about it. Now look, I get it. Every year someone on YouTube screams, the crash is coming, and nothing happens. So why should you trust this one? Because we're not guessing. We're looking at the same patterns that showed up before 1929, before 2000, and before 2008. And weirdly, those patterns love to repeat themselves. Humanize it. Let me tell you about a guy named Mike. Ohio, 2007. Solid job, a house, a 401k that kept climbing. Everyone told him, the market always goes up eventually, just relax. 14 months later, his retirement account had lost 40% of its value. His neighbor lost the house completely. Not because they were reckless, because nobody told them what to watch for. That's the difference between people who get wiped out and people who see it coming. It's not luck, it's pattern recognition. And right now, those same 3 patterns are flashing again. Warning sign number 1, excessive optimism. Right before every major crash, everyone thinks the market can't go down. Taxi drivers giving stock tips. That was 1929. That was 2000, when people bought internet stocks they didn't even understand. When everyone's suddenly a genius investor. That's usually the top. Warning sign number 2, cheap money drying up. Crashes almost always follow a period where borrowing was easy, and then suddenly isn't. 2008 wasn't really about houses. It was about debt nobody could pay back once rates moved. Warning sign number 3, insiders quietly selling. Not panicking, not announcing it, just quietly reducing exposure while telling the public everything's fine. Now, I'm not saying a crash is guaranteed tomorrow. Nobody times markets perfectly, not even the pros. But ignoring these signs? That's exactly what Mike did. Here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud. Crashes don't destroy the informed. They destroy the comfortable. The people who lose everything aren't the ones paying attention. They're the ones who thought it'll never happen to me, right up until it did. So the real question isn't, will there be a crash? There's always eventually a crash. The real question is, will you be Mike, or will you be ready? If this made you rethink even one thing about your money, hit subscribe. Next video, I'm breaking down exactly how people historically protected their savings before a crash hit, not after. Comment below, are you worried about the market right now, or do you think this is overblown? I read every single one. Stay sharp, stay informed. I'll see you in the next video.